Good morning everybody. Last time we have to explain the properties of decay or properties of radioactivity. So in the radioactivity we have to explain the property of alpha rays or alpha particles. So remaining properties, alpha rays are heavily charged particle. So heavily charged particle, that is 6.645 into 10 to the power minus 27. This is the mass of alpha particle, keep in your mind. 6.645 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. And charge of alpha particle is 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, keeping your mind. This is 2 is very important to solve the numerical problem. So what is the mass of particle, mass of alpha particle? So that is 6.645 into 10 to the power minus 27, and charge of alpha particle is 3.2 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Then alpha particle represented 2 helium 4 atomic numbers, or 4 valency, 2 valency, keep in your mind. So fourth property, alpha particle or alpha rays produce ionization in gases. Fifth, they produce fluorescence in substance like barium, platinocyanide and zinc sulfide. This is the chemical name, barium, platinocyanide and zinc sulfide. They produce heating effect which stop and cause burn on human body. They produce heating effect which stop and cause burn on human body. Next, the range of alpha particles varies in air of uranium 2.70 centimeter and thorium range is 8.62 centimeter. Keep in your mind. The range of alpha particle varies in the air of uranium from 2.70 centimeters and thorium 8.62 centimeters. Then alpha particle gets scattered when they pass through the aluminium, mica sheet and gold foil. Keep in your mind, gold foil, gold plate. Alpha particle gets scattered when they pass through the aluminium, mica sheet and gold foil. Alpha rays affected photographic plate. Last time I have to explain this. Alpha rays affected photographic plate. Alpha particles are less penetrating power. Alpha particles are less penetrating power, that is 1 upon 100 times, and beta particles 1 upon 10,000 times. Keep in your mind, 1 upon 10,000 and 1 upon 100 times. This is the less penetrating power of alpha particle is 1 upon 100 times and beta particles 1 upon 1000. Keep in your mind. The alpha particles, where is the range? I explained this. 2.70 centimeter in case of uranium and 8.62 centimeter in case of thorium. Alpha particle gets scattered when they pass through the sheet of aluminium, mica sheet and through. The speed of light, I will explain at that time. The speed of light range in alpha particles or alpha rays is 1 upon 100 to 1 upon 10. Keep in your mind. So this is the properties of alpha particles. These 10 properties, out of 10 properties, one property must be asked in your examination. Keep in your mind. Then properties of beta particles. Beta particles are lighter, very light. The weight of beta particle is very light, very small, very less. Beta rays deflected by electric and magnetic field. Deflected by electric and magnetic field. The speed of light, a range of beta particles, are varies from 1% to 99%, keeping your mind. In case of alpha particle, the alpha particle range varies from 270 centimeter in case of uranium, and in case of thorium 8.62 centimeter. But in case of beta particle, the speed of light range varies from 1% to 99%. They produce ionization in gases. They produce fluorescence in substance like barium, platinocyanide, and calcium tungstate. They produce fluorescence in substance as like a barium, platinocyanide, and calcium tungstate. Penetrating power of beta particles is more than alpha particles. Penetrating power of beta particle is more than alpha particles. Range of beta particles is more than alpha particles at NTP condition, keeping your mind, student. Range of beta particles is more than alpha particles at NTP condition in 1 meter. NTP. NTP means normal temperature pressure. NTP, normal temperature pressure. Range of beta particles is more than alpha particles. Keeping your mind this point. अल्फा पार्टिकल्स का रेंज जो होता है वो कम होता है एज कंपेयर टू द बीटा पार्टिकल्स. सो रेंज ऑफ बीटा पार्टिकल्स इज मोर देन अल्फा पार्टिकल्स at NTP condition. Normal temperature pressure is 1 meter. Beta particles get scattered radially when they pass through the material. Beta particles get scattered radially when they pass through the material. They affect photographic plate. Alpha plate or alpha rays and beta rays, both rays affected by photographic plate. Then properties of gamma rays. They are diffracted by crystal. Gamma rays is diffracted by crystal. Gamma rays are electromagnetic waves and very short wavelength. Gamma rays consist of electromagnetic waves and it is very short wavelength. They travels with the speed of light. Gamma rays travels with the speed of light, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8, keeping your mind. This is the general point. They produce ionization. Its ionization power much less than beta particle. They produce ionization. Its ionization power much less than beta particle. They produce fluorescence in certain crystal, keeping your mind. So this is the properties of gamma particle. Gamma particle produce heating effects. It shows phenomena of pair production. Pair production. It shows the phenomena of pair production. It means gamma rays shows the phenomena of pair production. Gamma rays are incident on the matter and beta rays are ejected for matter, keeping your mind. Gamma rays incident on the matter of the particles and beta rays are ejected for matter. They have very high penetrating power. Gamma rays are high penetrating power. They penetrate even through thicker iron plate. They penetrate even through thicker iron plate. They affect photographic plate. These properties affecting photographic plate, this is in 3 particles. This property is same in case of alpha particles, in case of beta particles, and in case of gamma particles. Gamma rays affected photographic plate, alpha rays affected photographic plate, and beta rays affected photographic plate, keeping your mind. So student, these 3 parameters, that is in the radioactivity, alpha particles, beta particles, gamma particles. So these three parameters in radioactivity, these three particles or three rays, these alpha particles, gamma particles and beta particles. Out of these three particles, 2 to 4 marks question asked in your MCQ examination. That question is MCQ type, keep in your mind. So student, this is important properties in 3, alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha rays affected photographic plate, beta rays affected photographic plate and gamma rays affected photographic plate. And range, varies range in case of beta, gamma and alpha particles. So student, today I stop here. You listen all these properties and any query, any problem, any doubt you ask me. So student, I stop here. Thank you very much.